At the point when Tesla initially uncovered that Model 3 would drop the instrument bunch regularly found behind the vehicle's controlling wheel, hypothesis flourished by why that was the situation immediately advanced into group exchanges on why or for what reason not Model 3 would have a heads-up show, or HUD as they're ordinarily alluded to as. Removing the conventional bunch from the auto would bode well if Model 3 will be completely self-governing, yet in view of the organization's mindful pacing with the takeoff of Autopilot 2.0 (AP2) on vehicles furnished with equipment 2, it's possible that completely independent AP2 improvement will extend over a time of years after Model 3 formally dispatches, accepting administrative endorsement. With sights set on to work out of a completely independent ride-sharing system, Tesla's execution of a HUD would enhance general riders' experience. There would be more space because of not having cumbersome equipment before the driver, while guaranteeing that showcases for manual driving mode was as yet accessible. A HUD covers all the equipment in the dash, so when the auto is prepared for full self-rule, the HUD successfully vanishes, promptly re-establishing the moderate look of the dash. Popular Tesla-centered YouTube channel like Tesla examines what a Model 3 HUD may look like by deconstructing a to a great degree thoroughly considered applied look by Steve Ono. Steve took the idea of a HUD which fundamentally extends ordinary driving information, for example, speed, heading of movement, route guidelines and sound framework volume levels onto the windshield. The system of expanded reality enables the driver to interface with the auto and get information from the auto without looking down. This massively affects the UI and client involvement in the auto, as the driver can keep their complete consideration out and about while having full fringe vision and forward sight. Also, the idea includes an incentive well beyond simply speed, route and other auto works by adding dynamic visual security signs to the HUD. Blindside discovery, path change admonitions and different alerts that live down in the measure bunch on the Model S and X are anticipated up and onto the windshield as a non-nosy cautioning that could extend or move to the middle contingent upon the seriousness of the notice. While these ideas are only that, ideas, now, they bode well, are totally reasonable today and play on key topics that characterize Tesla: security, innovation and development. Will we see a Model 3 HUD in the Outline Studio come June? We beyond any doubt trust so.